Makiria manyitite migana rimwe kuma sekta ngurani nimeyumiretie monanio ma urimi muciini munene wa Nakuru na kuria monanio maya macokete kwa ihinda ria keri thutha wa kuhingwo ni undu wa king'uki gia COVID-19. Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi RIGATHI GACHAGUA ni ahingurite monanio maya na maria matanyitwo kugathira muthi wa rucio. Akiaria hindi ya monanio maya RIGATHI ni augite bururi wa Kenya ni utanyitwo kugia na magetha makiria ukiringithanio na hau kabere kuona arimi ni marahirwo bataraitha cia raithi na ho gukagia na mbura.
With the expected bumper harvest, technology also comes in to help us minimize post-harvest losses. As part of preparations, county governments are requested to support farmers, especially in drying of maize and other cereals to the required moisture content.
Oho RIGATHI ni augite ni matanyite kwambatiria thogori wa macani guku bururi-ini na gicunji kia 50 hari igana.
Some of our priority areas of focus include enhancing productivity in the edible oils, rice, cotton, tea, coffee, pyrethrum, beef, leather and the dairy value chains.
Mwena-ini wake minista wa urimi guku bururi Mithika Linturi akiuga thirikari ni himbirie urimi ta umwe cia ITUGI iria cikugacirithia uthii wa nambere wa bururi.
As a priority, agricultural value chains earmarked for increased resource allocation. But due to increased use of fertilizer and favorable weather, we project increased maize production in this long-range season. Consequently, we are putting in place measures to reduce post-harvest losses and ensure that benefits are passed to farmers and consumers.
Kuringana na eri aya bururi wa Kenya ni utete makiria ma mahiu milioni 2.5 kumana na ng'aragu na oho makiria ma Kenya milioni 4 kugumirwo ni ng'aragu.
Innovation and technology for climate smart agriculture is the answer to winning us of rain-fed production and beating environmental uncertainties to feed our people and develop our nation as underpinned by Vision 2030.
Geri Fotera shesheni ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti ni ya Nakuru nitagwo Wajeri wa Kariuki.